Yeah, good evening or good day, depending on where you are listening to from any part of the world. Today, I find a group I belong to on Facebook. Yes, this group is on Facebook, and they generally um, encourage and train people on recruiting challenge, especially for people who are into multi-level marketing. So the group is on Facebook is called GoPro 7 Day Recruitment Challenge. So you can also check the group and then follow the group. Um, so the challenge today. I followed the group before, but if you want to follow the group, I've unfollowed so that I can show you how to follow the group. Um, just stay tuned, okay? Okay, I'll follow the group again here. So it's a group of network marketers, 265,000, uh, and then 400, and I think 400 K member. So they throw in challenge from time to time, and then people interact uh, in the group. And so one of the topic I find interesting today on the channel is the one thrown by Diana K-Stack. What is the number one skill needed in order to make money in business? This one is generally business, and it can work for any type of business. And let's see the answers given by about 346 people as at the time I'm making this recording. Someone said communication with people, and yeah, true. I find that to be very true. You've got to have a very good communication skill with people. Another person said mindset. Someone said closing the sales. Yeah, a good businessman or marketer must be able to know how to close sales, not just pitching. You must be able to close the sales. So, it may be a skill that some of us need to learn. Skill of team building and duplication, especially in multi-level marketing. We must know how to build team, and how to duplicate, how to replicate ourselves. So a successful person in business, even in business, we must know how to replicate ourselves, recurring people in the organization, and also understanding what the people need in your products. The product you are selling. That is by Doris Ebumere. So then someone said confidence, consistency, urge to be hungry for success. Yeah, hunger for success. Chiazo Esther. The ability to be able to connect with people. That's like, connection. Understand what they need and offering them the perfect solution. And that's very true. Today someone replied, absolutely. Very true. Very well said. Appreciate your sharing valuable feedback. Yeah, it's very true. You must be able to connect with people, be a genuine connector, understand what they need. Yeah, so many people find this suggestion very, very, very hard and true. Another person said, great answer, clear. And what method are you using to do that? So I expect that um Claire Shake will reply one of these days. Oh, what is your method there? So meaning that so many people want to actually learn how to connect with other people, and really, this is an area that everybody need to know. How do you connect with people? Connecting with people is very important. Sales master says master it, and you are visible. Once you can influence people to see value in what you offer and take the necessary action, man, you are powerful. Wow, this is really true. Master says we must master it. Any business that is not producing sales is true with that. So true, we must master. I hope you are getting value for the day. You are getting value. Please don't forget to sustain getting serious value from the projections that we have here. Yeah, another person doesn't make money. If there is the number one skill, then everybody will be making money. Yes, it's not to believe that there is the number one skill. Yes, because maybe I can reply yes, there are skills. Yeah, and for some people, what is number one is the number two for other people. But some things come naturally to some people than the other. So what you actually need as a person will be your number one skill. You learn how peer set, a coachable mindset, and determination. Every business man needs to be determined. Money making orientation from the wedding. Well, that is the expansion of maybe I should ask that. I think I get what he's saying. Mary is saying, you learn, you try to understudy those people who are succeeding, and you do what they are doing. I mean, maybe if you will reply, but I think that is what you need. Serving other and adding value. I love this, Dominic, Andrew. Yeah, serving others and adding value. When we focus on serving, money follows value. When we are focused, and if I let me like this, I really like this. Yes, really, when you serve and you are value driven, when your business is value driven, you attract money. When we give value, money follows value. Communication skill. I think this is repeated the second time. We must be able to communicate whatsoever, the value in our services and in our product. Believe in yourself and have total faith in God. Yeah, this is going spiritual. Yes, I agree with you, Agnes. Yes, I also like this. You need to believe in yourself and then have faith in God. There's a scriptures that say it is God that give power to get well. So I love this too, Agnes. That is very hard. I personally think that you can have all the skill required to make money, but if you don't have people to support you, you will never make money. Really, yeah. If you have, you also need people's skill. If you have all the skill and the people's skill, people will naturally support you. People will naturally support someone who is adding value to them. So Ahmed Ali, that I think that is my thought. If you are adding value to other people, and you are, if especially in MLM business, you are not selfish, people will naturally cluster towards you. Work at yourself harder and then your business. That is Anik Verboven. Yes, work at yourself harder and then on your business. relentless spirit, keep going until you achieve. Yeah, several people dump businesses. There is a saying that people refuse to work on a business for 3 years, but they prefer to work on 7 to 7 job for 40 years. So many a times we drop business. We are not persistent. We don't have a relenting spirit, and then we dump and jump from one to the other. True. Building relationships, yes, money is in the list. Money is in the relationship. you know for email marketers, for instance, they know the value of the list. So we need to build relationship. Your money is in your social circle. Your money is in your social circle. So we need to also learn that. Right mindset, communication, and follow. Communication is repeating. It's being repeated here. Right mindset is also consistency in applying the skills you have learned to make it happen. Kudos to Natalie. This is true. Determination, people skill. Yeah, like I said it earlier, you must have people skill. And okay, Diana asked back, what's people skill in particular? Yeah, and she replied, prospecting skill. I think it's much more than this. People skill is it's bigger and much more than this. You must know how to connect, how to manage people. You must know, and understand the need, or what individual need, the individual goals and aspiration. And so those are part of people's skill. And then retention. Someone saying retention, really? Yeah. Retention, having people who will come back again and again to subscribe to whatsoever you are doing. I have so much more. Communication has been said before. Finding prospects, that is recruiting. And then pitching people, knowing and believing in your product, and consistency. That is by Pat Carpenter. That's really true. I think I would like this. Networking and being honest with yourself and others. Truly true. You have to believe in your company, your product and services, your trainer, yourself, and then your skill. Yes, I've not seen one that I like to see, but let's see if someone will developing tougher skin. Really, business may not be a bed of roses at all time. Yes, I like this. So a win business person must develop a thicker skin. Someone said interesting answer is start bring money to the business. Well, maybe he's trying to ask, with developing tougher skill bring money to, and I can answer yes. When you have a tougher skin, you don't give up on yourself easily. Entrepreneurship mindset. Yes, we need to have a strong mindset. There are many skills you need, but start with positive mindset. Believing in yourself is a good way to start. Yeah, honestly, discipline. Yeah, a discipline. And what is your discipline? And I think, okay, what discipline is, what it means, Rick meant by discipline is that you have to be a disciplined person. Be disciplined with time, with money, disciplined with people, disciplined with your promises. That is what it means, not like academic background or so. To be patient and build up your achievement skills. Vision is very important. What are you chasing? Where do you see yourself in a few years to come in that particular business? We have so many. Yeah, making decision, and that is the starting point. Make decision and then follow up. Stick to your decision. And that is also very important. So from this, we've seen communication, making decision, vision, discipline. We've seen being tough, building a tough skin, building good relationship, people skill, empathy. I really like this empathy, putting yourself in the shoe of other people. That product you are about to sell, if you are not the seller, will you purchase it? The quality of the product, the needs it's serving, will you yourself purchase it? The pricing on your product, will you drop 100 bucks to buy such product? That is empathy. Yeah, putting the customers first is empathy. Yes, believe in your company. Yeah, believe in your company, believe in your product and services, and then believe in people ahead of you, your trainer, and be trainable. Yeah, finding prospect, communication, retention, people skill, determination, consistency in applying the skill you've learned to make it happen. Yeah, not just learning. Yeah, like tonight, I mean, tonight, or whenever you are hearing this, which of these skills will you put into practice? Even me, which of these skills will I put? I'm ready to put, I'm lacking, and I will put into practice. Building relationship, building lists, is very important. I hope and I trust that you will have gotten some values from this video. And like I said before, try. We learn every day. There are so many things you can learn from other people, and from how many, about 200 people following this Go Pro 7 day recruitment challenge. They do it from time to time. You could learn so much more. So my encouragement is this: go to this channel. If you've not been following it before, it's just a channel that is adding value. I am not the owner of the channel, but I've been following them for some time. I will also be bringing some of the other comments this challenge in the future, so you can follow, so that you can be part of that challenge when it becomes live. So, and it is free. You are not paying anything. You are not, you understand. And you need to also know that Eric is a promoter of this, and then you could also follow him. So God bless you. Don't forget, in November 1 to 7, we'll be following closely to the challenge that will be happening here. And so I hope to see you there. Maybe we close this with what Eric himself has to say.
Does it take courage to be an entrepreneur, or just hard work? Does it take courage or hard work and vision? And if it does take courage, put it into the chat, number one, where you're connecting from. I'd like to see where you're connecting from.
Okay, so if you want to
and second,
to him, you
put
also follow his
into
channel,
the chat.
and then I know you
Hello, and we're going to talk international today.
I get challenged myself.
How
this is other channel, network
how
marketing.
do you find unlimited prospects? How do you find
other channel? So you could also follow, and then you'll be blessed. Thank you to Eric Wall, for bringing this wonderful opportunity to us. Thank you. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and have a beautiful day. Bye.